Okay, so quick spot check lang tayo sa mga available na HP laptop sale sa Shopee Mall. A special price nitong HP laptop, ang suggested retail price niya ay 35,990 peso. For example, ako yung customer and interested akong bumili ng bagong laptop at a very affordable price. Ito yung mga gusto kong malaman. HP official store ito. Nasa Shopee Mall tayo guys. So guaranteed na quality ang mga products dito. And then, ang maganda pa dito, partner ng Shopee Mall itong seller ng HP, HP, Shopee Mall, HP, Official Store, PH. Ayan. For more information about dito sa mga nakalagay nila na mga free gift, pwede nyo rin silang i-chat para makapagtanong and makakalap na rin ng mga additional information when it comes to more details about product specifications, free gift, and then yung mga any questions in mind nyo bago kayo mag-purchase nitong HP laptop dito sa Shopee Mall. Intel Core i5, 15.6 inches yung display, 8 GB RAM, 256 GB SSD with operating system Windows 11 Home. Okay. Now, based sa information na makikita natin dito, yung product na to, meron siyang 5 stars product rating. Meron ng mga customers na nag-rate nitong product. So, 29 lahat yung comments or yung product ratings. And then, meron ng a total of 66 items sold. So, out of the 66 items na nabenta, ang product rating ng 29 customers, 5 stars rating yung ano niya, customer satisfaction rating. Now, kung titignan natin yan dito sa lower part ng Shopee Mall website for the HP laptop, product ratings 5 out of 5 stars. And based sa spot check na nagawa ko, ito yung pinaka-helpful customer feedback na pwede nating gawing reference kasi parang na-summarize na lahat ng mga 29 comments. Ang sabi niya dito, it's my first time buying a high-valued item on Shopee and I must admit, I'm a little skeptical. However, I made a little research when it comes to good laptop specs. I looked everywhere and I found this laptop on Shopee official store. This is exactly what I was looking for. Great buy. Itong customer na to, medyo kinakabahan daw siya kasi order siya online first time dito sa Shopee and gumawa rin siya ng due diligence niya when it comes to research and yung specifications na meron itong available laptop sa Shopee, namimit naman yung needs niya. Nag-purchase siya ng item, na-receive niya and satisfied naman siya dun sa quality ng item. So out of the 29 surveys, 28 yung nagbigay ng 5 na product rating and may isang 4 star. And then walang customer ang nagbigay ng negative feedback about the HP laptop from Shopee. So this is a good indication na maganda itong discount deal na available for this HP laptop. So yung nakalagay dito, HP laptop 15S-DU 1538TU Intel Core i5 102 Intel Core i5-1021OU. So 8 GB DDR4 na siya, 256 GB Intel HD graphics Windows 11 home operating system yan. Okay. To make it easier for you guys, ang gagawin ko, ilalagay ko yung direct link sa description ng video na to. And again, for more information, you can contact the seller through the Shopee website. Once na maklik nyo yung link na ilalagay natin sa description ng video na to, or ilalagay ko rin yung direct link ng HP laptop na to sa end screen ng video na to and sa mga cards na makikita rin sa video natin na to. Okay, so more fruitful gains everyone. I'll see you again on our next vlog. Bye for now.